What is up, guys? I got a quick video on how to unlink or disconnect your Twitch account from the PS4. Alright, basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your PS4 controller, hold down the share button, head down to sharing and broadcast settings. Once you're here, go ahead and hit X on link with other services, and select the account or service you want to disconnect. For Twitch, what you want to do is hit X on Twitch. As soon as that comes up, you want to go ahead and hit X on sign out. It's going to make you verify you'll no longer be able to upload or stream. Go ahead and hit X on sign out again. Alright guys, that's all there is to it on how to unlink or disconnect from Twitch. Alright guys, so for all you guys that want to know how to unlink or disconnect from YouTube, it's basically the same process. So basically from the home screen, you want to go ahead and hold down the share button again. Go back down to sharing and broadcast setting. And then go down to link with other services. Select the YouTube service. Once that comes up, go ahead and hit sign out. It's also going to make you verify again that you have to disconnect. So go ahead and hit sign out again. And you have disconnected from YouTube. Alright guys, that is all there is to it. If this video would help you, do me a favor, show that by hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe. I appreciate all you guys that watching, and we'll see you on the next one.